Hi everyone, this is my table. Alright, it's just a quick one to show you this table I've made in case anybody finds it useful. So just like the kitchen here, I've used a piece of moisture resistant MDF again. Managed to use the same tiles on it to keep it all the same, which is nice. And I've just used a piece of iron-on edging trim around it here, painted it white to finish it off. So that's the board itself. And then underneath here, it's just them folding shelf brackets. You've probably seen them. I've gone for the 14-inch ones, but you can get longer if you need to, whatever you need. I've gone for the 14-inch. And there's 3 fixings in the side there, going into your kitchen or whatever you need. And there's 3 fixings that go upwards into your table. I've used a nice chunky screw, but not too long that it goes through, but it's a good solid screw. And then you just click these little buttons here, simple as that. There, and then it just goes, really simple. There, really nice, really quick. And that's what you end up with on the side there. So just to be mindful for anybody else doing it, you end up with about a 22mm gap down the back there, because the bracket itself is about 22mm. So once it sits back like that, you do end up with a slight gap, but it's not too bad. It's about as good as you can do. Yeah, and then once it's locked in, it's quite strong. I don't know how much weight it would take, but it'll take anything I need. And I've got a 5-litre bottle of water here. If I put it on the end there, like that, it takes that no problem whatsoever. So yeah, I just wanted to show you that quickly. I think it's a really good way of doing it. These brackets are brilliant. I've never used them before, but they seem really good. Yeah, so that's my folding table. Thanks very much for watching. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you down the road. Alright.